this sweet little nugget here chewed the zipper out of my bedspread. And instead of putting another zipper in it, I'm going to put plastic snaps. Lilo, are you a bad girl? Are you a bad girl? Yeah, I thought so. Say, it doesn't matter, I'm cute. I'm a cute girl. It doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm done. You're so cute. It's a good thing I love you. Okay, so here it is in all its glory. I already seam ripped the zipper out like a month ago because I'm lazy and haven't finished this project. I thought I would film it. Here's the opening where she chewed it out and she ate like some of the teeth, but it didn't seem to hurt her. This is the whole opening where you put your duvet in. So all I'm going to do, instead of buying a zipper to replace it, I'm just going to sew this little flappy thing down on the inside because it's got like a serged edge. So that'll be fine. I'm going to iron it back under like this, flat, and then sew it down all around. And then I will put the snaps in. Okay, so that's done. So it's got this small little stitch line. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a stitch in the very edge. And I just folded it over following those lines. So now I'm going to sew that down all along the edge on both sides. One side's smaller than the other. I think that was because of the zipper. I think part of it folded over or something. I don't remember. It's been too long. I did some quick math, and I think I'm going to do one every 5.5 inches. So my first one will be here, and this is a water-soluble marker, so don't worry. And I'm just going to go down the line and put a little mark every 5.5 inches. Now that I know where I'm going to put them, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on one side so it fastens this way, and then the other one so it fastens over top of it. So it kind of hides them. But I don't like how close to the edge I put my dot, so I think I'm going to back it up a little bit. So I'll probably do all of them this side of the seam that I made. Okay, and here they are all finished. See, I put so it overlaps, and they are all done. Now I just need to throw it in the washing machine to get rid of these little dots, and I will show you a picture of it on my bed.